Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here. You are most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official. If you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get such useful content which can help you to speak English fluently. So in this video, I'm going to talk about that how to speak English confidently. Most of the people want to speak English confidently. I know many people, they are very good in English, but they don't have confidence to present themselves. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to speak English confidently. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus tip which will help you drastically to improve your English and improve your confidence. So stay tuned until the end. So I'm going to talk about the first point of the video is that practice daily with intention. Of course, practice helps you to speak English fluently and confidently, but not any practice. You have to do practice, the focused practice. You need to set goals for yourself which can help you to speak English. Let's suppose you set a goal for yourself that you have to speak English today for 30 minutes. You have to record yourself on few topics and listen to them to get the areas of improvement. And third, join some platforms like English Shari, Inktalki, Clappingo, or Cambly, where you can get customized feedback for your English, which will boost your confidence. And repetition is really important. When you repeat all those things every single day, you improve your confidence. That is the first thing which you need to follow to become confident while speaking English. Now, talking about the second point of the video is stop fearing mistakes, accept them. Most of the people are afraid to speak English. You know why? Because they think they make mistakes. And of course, when I started my journey, I used to make a lot of mistakes. Till now, I make mistakes because it's very difficult or nearly impossible for someone to be perfect. So don't think about perfection. Start speaking English from today onwards without caring about mistakes. And how you can do it? Join some groups where people are helping you to speak English without judgment. You need encouragement from others. You need to support yourself that you are improving. You're not doing just those efforts to become perfect. You are working on yourself to improve your English, improve your confidence. And from first day onwards, you're not going to speak English 100% accurately. But what we think that we have to speak English perfectly. So rather than thinking about perfection all the time, think about your excellence, think about your progress, which will help you to improve your confidence every single day. It is a process and it takes time for you to improve. So the second point which I told you, that do not focus on your mistakes, focus on your progress and focus on your fluency. That is really helpful for you to become better and to boost your confidence. Understood? Now, third and the most important point of the video is expand vocabulary and learn real life sentences. That if you want to say something, whatever you like saying, you need to have vocabulary. You need to have real life sentences to express yourself. Like, I would like to say that, or please let me know. There are many ways to express your thoughts. So you need to have certain words and all those sentences which help you to speak English confidently. For that, what you can do, try to listen to podcasts, watch English videos, watch TV shows or movies, and whatever you get which is really helpful for you to express your English, write down in your notebook and try to use them while making conversations. That's how you can improve your English and you can speak English confidently. In this video, I talked about 3 points which are really important for you to speak English confidently. First, practice daily with intention. Second, stop fearing mistakes, accept them. Third, expand your vocabulary and learn real life sentences. If you will practice all these 3 things, they will help you to speak English confidently. At last, I'm going to give you a bonus tip which is really helpful for you to speak English confidently. Change your inner talk. Speak to yourself positively. Don't say I am bad at English. Say I'm getting better at English every day. Thank you. Many thanks to you for stay tuned until the end. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.